Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming you have administrator rights and the right Windows build so removal succeeds. Open Start, type PowerShell, and choose Run as administrator. This ensures you can uninstall system apps. Once done, check that system protection or any restore points won't immediately reinstall the app. Disable or adjust them temporarily. Make sure you close any running Snipping Tool windows so files aren't locked. Now you're ready to locate and remove the package using command line commands. You'll run getapps package all users *snipping tool * to find the exact package name. This avoids guessing and targets the right binary. Next, use remove apps package full name for the current user or remove apps provision package online package name to remove the provisioned image for new users. Execute commands one at a time, watch for errors, and wait for completion messages. Once the commands finish, reboot the machine so residual handles clear, and the removed app stops. Finish by cleaning leftover folders in program data and %local app data % to free space and remove shortcuts. If other apps fail after removal, re-register apps packages with getapps package all users for each add apps package disable development mode register $. Install location \app manifest XML to restore system consistency. If removal was blocked or errors persist, boot into safe mode or the Windows recovery environment and retry the remove apps provision package step. This avoids locked files. Finally, verify Snipping Tool is gone and restore system protection if you disabled it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.